Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I am going to be making over an old entertainment center that we no longer use, that I've been using to store my craft items in. It's kind of a mess right now, but my husband has built me a shelf for the inside of it, so I am going to be reorganizing it and making it into a gift wrapping closet instead of a craft storage area, although I may have some crafts in there still. So without further ado, let's get going on my closet makeover. So this is my old entertainment center. We don't use it for that anymore because we put a home theater into this room, but it sits next to my sewing area in my bonus room, which needs to be cleaned out a little bit. But I want to turn this inside into a craft closet. Now, it doesn't look too bad from the outside, but from the inside, you will see it is very messy. See? Very messy. So, my husband is going to build me another shelf to go across the back so I can put some little storage cubby containers in there. For some reason it's having trouble focusing. Anyway, so I need to clean this out and then I'll show you what it looks like with the shelf in it before I start loading things back in. Okay, so here's the interim stage. I've taken everything out of the cabinet. That hole in the back is from when we had a TV in the cabinet and it was a little too deep to fit in there, so we had to cut out a piece so the back could stick out. And then I've gone ahead and put some of this brie wax or brie wax, I'm not sure how it's pronounced. I've heard it both ways, but I've put it on this shelf. It had never had any on it before. So now it's more in keeping with the same tone as the rest of the cabinet. And once the new shelf is in, I will be putting that on that shelf too. My husband is in the process of putting that together. And the shelf is all finished. There is a book sitting at each end of it to weight down the shelf so that the glue will adhere to both the bracket and the shelf, since it's a stationary shelf. Once I get this whole cabinet organized, I will show you what it looks like. And here's how it now looks inside the cabinet. I have this shelf here that my husband put in for me. And then I have these boxes I got from Target with the labels on them. This one has curly bows, curling ribbons. These are ordinary gift bags. I don't have a label for that. This is Christmas gift bags. And then I have boxes and tissue here. I need to figure out a way to corral my long tubes of wrapping paper somehow on the side. If any of you have ideas on that, let me know. And then on this one door, I have my gift tags hanging off of a hook up here. And then down at the bottom, let me show you this. Over here, I guess it's up here, I have this Velcro command strip piece to help hold the container that's holding the gift tags in place so that it doesn't swing around. And then over on this side I have a bunch of scrapbook paper. Down below I'm keeping my rolls of contact paper and some markers. And on this side I have sheet protectors. And then I still need to work on some of this cabinet, but in this drawer I have put my laminator and then little cutting wheels that go with my paper cutter, which I actually have up on the top shelf. And then I have some spools of ribbon up here. These are eventually going to go down into my project desk, I think, but I just have them sitting up here for now. So that's what I've done with my craft closet so far. And once we get this room redone, maybe I will finish up the organization of this. So I am a lot happier with how I'm using the space in that old entertainment center closet, and it will make it a lot easier for me to get to my items than having them down in our guest room closet. Particularly, that's easy for me to say, isn't it? Particularly since sometimes we do have people over and I may not be able to get to the items in that closet. So now it's in more of a public space, but hidden away behind some doors, and I think it's a better use of the space in that old entertainment center than what I was using it as before. So let me know in the comments down below if you like this makeover. Let me know if you have a gift wrapping closet or a craft closet and how you keep yours organized. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. And once again, if you are new to my channel, I do post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So why don't you consider subscribing by clicking on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button in the description box down below. That way you won't miss any of my videos. Again, thanks for watching, and take care everyone. Bye-bye.